Welcome back. On set with me now is Natalie Roach, Managing Director of Chicken Bougie. But this morning, she's marketing Shamak Apparels. She's going to talk to us about the trends, the colors, and the styles that are popping for this holiday season. We're also going to be seeing some models showcasing different pieces that represent these styles. So good morning, Natalie.
Good
Welcome
morning,
to Slam Jamaica. It's morning time.
Thank you.
So particularly this holiday, what are some of the main things that I should be thinking about having in my wardrobe for the holiday season?
You see this?
Yeah.
Prints.
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 Okay.
Yes. And when we are wearing prints, animal prints, because that's in right now, anything animal print is in. Especially for us as, you know, the plus size girls, we need to be careful in terms of how far we go with our prints, because we're just trying to highlight the prints. We're not trying to wear the entire animal.
Okay.
So we got to be very careful.
Right.
Right. And you just do it. So if you're going to wear a printed top, an animal print top, you wear a plain black pants or brown, whatever color, red. And the colors that are in is the wine red, because you know it's the Christmas season, cream of pink, which it would look like an off-white, but it really isn't. It's cream of pink.
Okay.
The turtle green is in.
Okay.
Yeah, white is always in, will always be in. And you also have the, it's a brick orange that is in as well. So those are the colors.
That
So just to name a few.
All right, so we're going to see some fashion, and then when they come out, you'll talk to me a little bit about what they are and who's wearing them. So who's first?
Okay, so first on the runway we have Mary White, and she will be coming out in her animal print dress, a zipper front, and you have a deep V-neck coming down with a little neckline, a little collar going up there.
All right. All right, and this fabric.
So that's a stretch.
Okay.
Right.
All right,
It's a
so you have
stretch
the zipper.
fabric.
If you want to be daring, you can adjust it.
Exactly. So if you want to be daring. I don't know if anybody else would want to be any more daring than where the zipper is. Mary, you feeling daring?
No, Mary is fine. No, Mary, me, no, make them run me out of here this morning. The zipper is quite fine.
See, quite fine.
Maybe if you're dancing, it's a little hot, you can crack the zipper a
Exactly
bit.
so.
But it
just
has
a little.
just enough of a split at the bottom.
Exactly.
And it's
so
good
we
to
have
go.
enough air passing through.
Correct.
So you can wear this at a nice cocktail event, you know, and if you want to dress it up a little, you can change the shoes, wear gold, and have, you know, some shimmery stuff going on there on the shoes if you choose to wear it at a
I
formal
like how she's
dinner.
accessorized it. She's kept it simple.
Very simple, because the print is so much, we don't want to overdo it. So you wear simple accessory. If not, you don't even have to wear any.
Yeah, yeah, I like how she's done it, because if it's too much, you're competing with
Exactly.
the print.
So the print itself is a statement piece, so you really just have to keep the focus point on the print.
All right, thank you very much, Mary. If you follow Clive, you're up here all morning. Thank you very much, Mary. Who's next?
Up next, we will have Devi Setaram,
Hi, Debbie.
and she is donning a nice shirt dress,
Okay.
animal print shirt dress, and as you can see, she has matched with her strappy printed shoes as well.
She
And it's
has
belted.
enough leg. She has enough distance.
She has enough,
between
exactly,
the dress
so
and
the leg.
to pull off a print shoe. So
Exactly.
she's matching right throughout.
And as you can see, the accessory again is kept very simple. So you can wear this again to a nice cocktail function.
Yeah.
Not necessarily. This would not go for a formal dinner, but you know,
No.
your Christmas cocktail parties.
Right.
This is a good dress.
Yeah.
It takes away from the traditional little black dress.
And again, you have your zipper and buttons.
Exactly, and
So
you can adjust it like mine.
Yeah.
If you want to show a little,
Yeah.
leave it out a little, or bring it up.
Can play around with it. All right, thank you,
Exactly.
Debbie. Yes.
And up next, we have the designer that is coming out.
Okay.
Sharon McCain.
Come, Sharon. That's right, name Shamak.
Exactly.
Hello, Miss Sharon.
And she's wearing a white lace shirt dress with the flares at the bottom. So this now, you can dress it up or dress it down. And what you want to focus on this Christmas is versatility for your closet.
Let me Sharon make this what she wearing?
Yes,
Hey,
ma'am.
Sharon, you going bad, man.
Big things.
Come on. Yes, girl.
So
wear
you
shoes.
dress it up or you dress it down. If you put that on with a black pants, you know, you can wear that to a formal event.
You can put a nice little dress on
Exactly. So you can wear a slip
Look
dress.
how Clive make me Sharon gone left me carpet. Come here, me darling. Yes.
And
yeah,
this-
you can put, and what I like about the white is you can go plain beneath it, or you
Exactly.
can go print, or you can go
Anything. Exactly. And it's a white lace. Yes.
Very nice. Very nice.
Okay.
Yes.
Thank you.
Yeah.
So
Neville, I'm going to buy you that. Yes.
So this season we really want to focus on versatility for your closet, because you know shopping can be expensive when it comes on to your wardrobe.
Right.
So you want to be versatile. You want to know that you have something that you can mix and match. And as I said, prints are in. You can't go wrong with prints. You just know that you need to accessorize it well enough.
All right, so who's coming back? Mary's back?
So we have next coming out is Mary, and she will be donning a nice, elegant red dress.
Mary.
Look at her. Doesn't she look Christmas ready?
Okay, Christmas red.
Christmas red.
Yes, she does.
Yes, Mary is working it. So this is a V-neck. Well, you can wear it off the shoulder. You can bring it up back up. So if you have sexy shoulders and you want to show them off, you can bring them down.
Just show me one, Mary.
Come. Just give us a little one, Mary. Right.
Okay.
Yes.
All right.
Or you can bring it back up.
Yes.
With a dress like this, again, you can't go wrong. It's simple.
It is.
So just a little fine chain would be appropriate for it, or you can wear the chandelier earrings, you know, dangling down from the ears to the neckline there.
Thank you, Mary.
And you wear your gold shoes, or, well, I wouldn't even recommend black, because black is so
Black
stark.
is gonna kill it.
Right, so you wear your gold.
You wear your gold and you accessorize and you go. I like it. It looks simple. But then if you pull it down or whatever, you can dress it up.
Exactly.
As
Dress
much as
it
you
up
want
and
it to.
dress it down. Up next, we will have Devi again, Seataram. So she will be wearing a nice evening red dress, and it is a wine red.
Okay.
Sequin to the top, and it's flowing at the bottom. Devi, where's our model, Devi?
Then we're trying to get in. Until she comes, how do I get a hold of Shamaka? Where do I find it if I want to
So we're at 3A Central Avenue. That's shop number 9 Vision Plaza, right behind King's Plaza. And we're having a fashion tea party on Saturday.
This Saturday.
3 p.m. to 8 p.m. So come on out, save, shop, and save with us, because we'll be having
for the
some
Christmas
sale.
holidays, you have everything for the
Is
holidays.
Sharon McCain available?
One of our models has to come at 12 or one time because we don't.
Hello?
Lord help us, Lord.
Okay, Neville is wearing a nice blazer red jacket for the season. He could actually go khaki with that too.
Yeah.
Yeah. He could do khaki with that.
All right, come
as
on.
well.
Debbie's
You want to
coming.
escort her?
No.
So this is a wine red. And this red is actually good for the season. This is the color that is actually in.
It's a beautiful.
It is gorgeous.
All right, so everybody has to come. We're going to go for a break. Miss McCain, everyone. Mary, let's go. All right, so tell them again where to find you.
3A Central Avenue. That is Vision Plaza, shop number 9.
Are the jeans? Mary couldn't, Miss McCain couldn't come out. Them jeans, man, them jeans. Thank you. You can go stand beside her. All right, so there you have it. Mary, quite contrary. So thank you very much, Natalie Roach, here marketing for Jamaica Apparels. All right,
All
Mary.
right. Oh, Mary is ready. Another animal print dress. So all these dresses are for formal events.
Yes. There they
Neville
are.
wants to get in between them.
All right.
All right, Neville.
Okay.
Yes, you're representing.
I don't know who I'm representing, though. That's the problem. All right, so make sure you go and check them out. Remember, this weekend, they're having a nice tea party, so go sip and get yourself some wonderful outfits for the holiday. It's a McVitie's Christmas, everyone. And after the break, we're going to be talking about the wide range of products that they have for this and every season. We'll be right back.